Hello, today we are going to make fox ears. We are starting by crocheting in the magic ring 6 single crochets. To make ears pointier, in next row we are going to increase by 3. That means we are crocheting 1 and then decreasing 3 times. Now we are going to change the colors, and in this row we are crocheting 2 single crochets and then increasing 3 times. Next row we are crocheting 3 single crochets and then increasing 3 times. Now in this row we are going to crochet 4 single crochets and then increasing. In this row we are increasing by 3, crocheting 5 single crochets, increasing, repeating that 3 times. In this row we are crocheting 6 single crochets and then increasing and repeating that 3 times. We are crocheting 7 single crochets and then increasing, repeating 3 times. the last row, we are crocheting single crochet all the row. For sewing. Crochet another ear. Now it's time to sew the ears to the head. Remember to leave a gap between ears. I am starting at the top of the head in the second row. I am sewing the ears in U shape so it would fit the head better. You can also bobby pin the ears